What up, speech communicators and procrastinating students? Welcome back to another episode of Leading Connect, aka your classroom. I'm your teacher guy, Brandon, and today we're going to dive into the wonderful world of organizing the body of your speech because we need a little bit of structure to this crazy speech ride. Because we've all got to give a speech, right? You've got 3 of them. And it's a little bit hard, especially when you've never done it before, because like I've been there. I've been there where I'm staring off into a blank Word document, having no idea what to write, hoping that I can just say something funny, motivating, do a mic drop, all of that fun stuff. And yeah, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to help you organize your ideas so that way, hopefully, you can have one of those moments, or at least not put your audience to sleep, because I am your audience and, thank you. I don't want to fall asleep. So let's break down organizing a speech into 3 main points, because 3 is a magic number. Also because we can't remember more than that without a nap or a snack or something like that. Speaking of snacks, how about a sandwich, or at least using the sandwich technique, where you picture your speech more as a delicious treat. Your main points there, the juicy feelings, and your examples, where that's the stuff that just really makes things a little bit more tasty. So here's kind of how it works. You get the top button. That's where you introduce your point, not the entire speech, but just one main point. So you got every single point needs a button, at least the top button. The feelings, that's where you explain things. So you got to explain your point, your claim that you just make. The condiments, like the ranch, the ketchup, all that stuff, those would be your examples. So you got a point, you explain your point, you give me an example, and then you need a bottom bun, because if you don't put a bottom bun on it, well, that's just it's a horrible sandwich. So you need to summarize and then transition into your next tasty snack. Okay. So for example, let's say you're giving a speech on why dogs are the best. Your sandwich might look like this. Dogs are the ultimate mood busters. Studies have shown that petting a dog releases feel-good hormones in humans. Just last week, I was having a terrible day. Till my boxer dog, with no concept of personal space, came up, sat down on me, and then started showering me with kisses. It was an instant mood booster. I was a little bit angry, also a little bit happy. So the next time you're feeling down, don't forget to shower your dog with canine therapy. God, I messed that one up. Anyways, but you kind of see what I did there. I had a point. I explained things. I used a personal story that I should practice a little bit more. And then I wrapped things up, and it was delicious. No, it wasn't. All right. The next method is the journey method. This is kind of like Frodo and Sam walking out and throwing a ring into a fiery pit. Nope. Kind of more like that, though. Okay, so the journey method. That's where you imagine your speech as a road trip. Each main point is a stop along the way, and your transitions, they're the roads that connect them together. This method is perfect for chronological, process-based topics. So something more like how to survive a zombie apocalypse, because you never know. It could save your life someday. Right? The first stop along your destination, it would be to secure a hideout. The next destination or stop would be gather essential supplies, food, chainsaws, samurai swords, all that fun stuff that TV told us is important. The final landmark, that would be where you build survivors. Each stop, that's where you would give details and examples. And then don't forget to make or to use smooth transitions, because without them, your audience will feel like they've hit a pothole. Something like that. The final approach that we'll talk about is the problem solution method. This one's great for persuasive speeches where you're trying to solve things like world hunger, or just convincing your friends of where to go to eat for the night. So the first step to the problem solution is obviously present the problem. That's your claim you're making about whatever topic that you're on. So the problem, present the problem. Second step is explain why it matters. You've definitely got to it's got to matter to us, and you've got to tell us why it matters. Make that one clear. Third one is offer some type of brilliant solution, the ta-da moment. Then show us how it works and drop the mic, something like that. So here's a good example. The problem. You can never find matching socks. I never do. Why it matters? Because I'm always wasting minutes where I could be hitting the snooze button, but instead I'm looking for my sock. The solution, the revolutionary Sock Matcher 3000. How it works? Well, this is an AI-powered device that sorts, pairs, and even folds your socks so that you will never wear mismatched socks to a job interview again. Who's looking at your socks, though? Maybe they are, though. Bonus tip, don't hit your face during a speech. Bonus tip, make sure to sprinkle in some type of humor, or at least some personality into your speech, because it's like adding glitter to a project, or if you're talking about snacks, it's like putting the sprinkles on top, maybe a little, some of those small little chocolate chips. Like funniness, your personality, that's what really makes things stand out. That's what we'll remember, because we're here to listen to you talk about this topic. It's not just a whole bunch of facts. Like, we want to know you. So for each one of your examples along your journey, your snack, or your problem solution, like, your personal stories is what's really going to make things stand out. Okay. So as you're organizing the body of your speech, don't forget the sandwich and the sprinkles as you're taking them down the journey of your problem and dazzling them with solutions. Because organizing the speech, it doesn't have to be as painful as stepping on a Lego. With these techniques, you'll be strutting across the stage like you own it, or at least like you rented it for a reasonable price. That was dumb too. Oh, you're still here? Well, before you go, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button, because that's what they tell me to do on YouTube. And who knows? Maybe I'll become YouTube famous. So hopefully you found this short video entertaining, informative, and it'll hopefully help you organize your speech a little bit easier, so that this doesn't have to be painful like that Lego experience, that you can do you. You can express your personality, and you can keep speaking in an easy way and also staying cheesy, because I like cheese. God, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get a snack. Adios.